What did you learn in school today, dear little boy of mine? What did you learn in school today, dear little boy of mine? Så den her sang er skrevet af en amerikaner, der hedder Tom Paxton. Jeg synes, det ville være interessant at høre, hvad man lærer i skolerne, ikke bare i Amerika, men også andre steder. Derfor har jeg med forfatterens tilladelse lavet en beskeden gendigtning. Så vi hører lidt om, hvad der foregår i skolerne andre steder, og for at lidt på forståelsen foregår det hele på engelsk. Og hvad er mere naturligt end at starte på engelsk i England? Now, what did you learn in school today? Dear little chap of mine. Tell me exactly, what did the professor tell you in school today? Good old sport of mine. I learned that Britain used to be superior, and now it's a pity we're rather inferior. But what goes up must come down. Exactly as it is with the pound. That's what the teacher said, that's in fact what the teacher said. And that's what we learn in school today. That's what we learn in school. Now what did you learn in school today, mon little garçon, hein? Eh? I learned that in a common market to have harmony, we must learn to make love to even Germany. So I learned to make love the old French ways. Who cares to whom as long as it pays, eh? That's what the teacher said, and that's what we learn in school today. That's what we learn in school. What did you learn in school today? Schultz? Ved I faktisk, hvad tyskerne siger om franskmændene? De siger, warum sagen Sie immer et toi? Es heißt doch Futteral. I learned. Thank you. I learned that policemen are my friends. And I learned how to drive a Mercedes-Benz. Und that Ordnung muss sein, no matter what you say, so I eat my sauerkraut 3 times a day. That's what we learn in school today. That's what we learn in school. Now tell me, kid, what did you pick up in school today? Dear little boy of mine. What did the bastards push you with, baby? Dear little cowboy of mine. I learned that we were the first to put a man on the moon. And I'm sure we'll have a hamburger stand there soon. Next step will be a military base, but of course just to protect the human race. Up in space, just in case. That's what we learn in school today. That's what we learn in school. But what did the guru tell you in the school today? What did the guru tell you about development of India? I learned that in India there are many gurus, but no rice and curry. No rice and curry. In Pakistan there are toast butter jam. That means toast, butter and jam. But no rice and curry. In Bangladesh, no rice and curry. A sad story. I'm sorry. But in Calcutta, there are lots of rice and curry, if you hurry. That's what we learn in school, eh? That's what we learn in school. Bambino, tenemos tu learn in school today, darmi pronto, eh? I learned how to cook a soup minestrone. And that Italian men can make love all alone. That Federico Fellini is molto fantastic and how to make a pizza for export in a plastic. That's what we learn in school, eh? That's what we learn in school. Now, what did you learn in school today? I mean, you had been to school, not? I thought it enough. I learned that Denmark is a little land, and in Denmark we do not understand what the big world outside wonders for, and then we did not learn no more. That's what we learn in school.